What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and hope you're having a great weekend. Welcome to this new video on Turbo. Had to cover it. Very bullish yesterday. I did see it already yesterday earlier because the volume was very high. I think yesterday morning the volume of Turbo was in the top 25 or something, which is weird because that's not usually the case. And that's also what you can see right here, right? So this was yesterday. The volume had already spiked up quite a bit. And just in general was quite high still, even though the weekend started. So that happened. Unfortunately, yesterday I was away because I was looking to potentially enter if we broke above 0.36 cents right here, which was also the main support level, or at least the main key level right here, in the middle of June when we hit that. But in general, right now, we are quite bullish, all right? We're at resistance here, right here at half a cent, of course, strong psychological, but also historically a strong technical resistance level. But Turbo is quite bullish at this point of time. And in these market circumstances, that's interesting regardless, of course. But we also know that Turbo has seen some very big bumps in its past as well, for example, right here. So just in general, it's interesting to kind of see if we can do that again. I would say, like, if you look at Turbo right now, I do want to say, first of all, before we talk about the technicals, to be careful with this. All right, Turbo historically, as you can see, has been a bit of a pump and dump. Not completely, but we've had it countless times already that you see a pump and then it just turns into a big sell-off. Pump, big sell-off, and here we had a pump into a sell-off, into a pump, into a sell-off. So that's, of course, I mean, nothing repeats. So I don't think this move will be exactly the same as the last time around. I don't think it will be exactly the same as the first two times. I do think you need to be careful. All right, this is at some point of time going to be sold off again, unless Bitcoin turns bullish, because the only way a meme coin like Turbo can reach all-time highs is if Bitcoin is relatively bullish, right? That's also what we saw with Popcat and Mog, for example, right here. So if that's not the case, I don't think that Turbo's sustainably going to be bullish. Now, at the same point of time, I do think that at this point of time, we are quite bullish, all right? Oh, that's the wrong Turbo, excuse me. Because at this point of time, if you look at the order flow, I mean, this is absolutely crazy, all right? We had, in total, the open interest almost doubled here, went up like 70%. Like, these are real positions being opened. Now, you can see at the start here, but also yesterday evening, that some major positions are being opened in a very short period of time. So that's another reason why I'm telling you this is at least partially manipulated. But I don't see, look, the momentum is still very high. The RSI has dropped down to the 50 baseline again. We had some liquidations, but we were able to push on ahead. So right now we're at resistance. So I wouldn't buy now. But I do think if we're talking about a continuation, because of the momentum, because of Bitcoin, Bitcoin is not so bullish anymore, but it was recovering a bit. But because of the momentum and what we know with Turbo, I would actually say it's most likely we will continue to go up. So break above half a cent and to start to rally back up to 0.58 and 0.6 cents. And then up there, we'll see again, all right? Because the main thing to watch is the open interest, right? The open interest, at some point of time, you're going to see something like this, a slow but steady grind down. That's when the whales or manipulators are selling off. As long as that's not the case, I think we'll stay bullish. All right, so like I said, I wouldn't buy, because if you buy right now, we haven't gotten a breakout yet. So you're buying into resistance. I would wait for half a cent to break and then consider a buy on the 4-hour time frame, preferably. And if we just never break above half a cent here, and I'll keep you updated on this, and we just see this slow but steady decline already, then this was the top. But I'll keep you updated on that. For now, it looks more likely that that will continue. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.